Hello mga niece and mga nephew. So today I'm going to teach you how to email properly. So today we'll have the email etiquette for students. So ito ay applicable para sa inyong mga instructors, professors, subject chair, dean, at kung sino-sino pang persons in authority. So, chutomate. So before we proceed, know that the content is just an example of how to email a person in authority. Okay? Merong mga special cases of emails na hindi dapat ganito ang format. Okay? But yung ipepresent ko is the general format or example kung paano dapat ang itsura ng isang email. So, let's start. First, para kanino ba ito? Okay? For whom is this email? Hi, ma'am, or hi, sir, blank. Diba? So, pwede ring dear, hi, instead of hi, dear yung gamitin mo. Dear ma'am, blank. Dear sir, blank. So, dear is more formal than hi. Okay. Hello is rarely used. Pwede rin, but it's less formal. So, hello, hi, dear. No? Next, you need to do. Next thing you need to do is greet. Okay? Greetings. So, kailangan may greetings. Good day, ma'am or sir. Greetings or hope this email finds you well or whatever greeting that you can think of. Next is, magpakilala ka. Sino ka ba? Why are you sending me an email? So, state your name. I am Consuelo Banana Hammock from your class EE 102L, section A15. Kung current professor mo. Depende, no? Kung saan mo siya, kung paano kayo naging connected. Kung previous professor mo, sabihin mo kung kailan ka naging estudyante, 'di ba? Basta magpakilala ka and mag-add ka ng detail, no? Tungkol sa iyo, sino ka. Next, state your concern, okay? O kaya yung content, yung need, yung request. Sabihin mo na kung ano yung kailangan mo. So, sa case na ito, humihingi siya ng recommendation letter. So, I would like to ask if I can request a recommendation letter for the newly opened scholarship. So, pwede ka mag-add ng detail if you want, but keep it short. Okay? Kailangan maikli lang. Okay? Ito, mahalaga to. Do not forget, very important, say thank you. Bakit? Wala pa naman siyang reply. Basta kailangan lagi ka mag-thank you kasi una, binasa niya yung request mo, yung email mo, di ba? Pinansin niya yung email mo. So, kailangan mo rin mag-thank you. Di ba? Parang ano lang yan eh. Pag sumakay ka ng jeep, papuntang Welcome Rotonda, di ba? Bayad po, welcome. Di ba? Welcome agad, wala pang ang thank you. Okay. So, do not forget to say thank you. Pwede ring thank you in advance, thank you for your response, thank you for your time, kung anong pa mang ibang paraan para magsabi ng thank you. Of course, next one you need to say or put in your email is your signature. Regards, Consuelo Banana Hammock, EE First Year, student number 2020-123-456. So, ito ay maaari palitan, no? Yung regards. Pwede ring respectfully yours. Very formal. Pag respectfully yours. Pwede ring iba pa, no? Marami pang iba. But this one is a generic form of doing the signature. Regards, your name, and magdagdag ka na rin ng details, di ba? Okay. So, ito na yung email mo. Kompleto na. Lagyan mo ng subject, request for recommendation letter, Martin Scholarship, to email address nung Prof. Blank at school.edu.gg. From kanino galing? Sa'yo yan, di ba? So, cbananahamak at myschool.edu.gg. Then, after checking everything, you're already fine with it, then click send. Okay? Okay, after a while, you wait. If you receive a response, always send an acknowledgement of receipt. Ano yun? What's that? Ano, resibo? Nice resibo. So, ano ba yun? So, always say thank you. Okay? Also, another way of saying thank you. I have received the files. Thank you. Thank you for accommodating the request. No, as long as you reply back. Okay? Because the other party, the other person, entertained your request. So, you should say thank you. Diba? So, two things, okay, na ginagawa niyang reply is let the other person know that you received the files, you received the response, the email. Second thing is it shows your character. Okay? Parang pinapakita mo na, ay, ang polite naman niya. Diba? Acknowledge siya, nag-reply back. Diba? So, it's a good thing, diba? Good points. So, that's it for the how to email, an email etiquette for students, no? Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.